Okay, today we're continuing with our part 2 of subject, verb, and complements. So we know that a sentence has two elements, and the two elements are subject and predicate, which includes our verb and whatever follows the verb, right? Including direct object, predicate noun, predicate adjective, objective complement, so on and so forth. Now, what is the difference between direct object and indirect object? Like I said, after transitive verb like brought, that is our transitive verb, the direct receiver is several pieces of candy. So pieces would be direct object. But who would be indirectly affected? It would be us, right? So you can also say grandmother brought several pieces of candy for us. Okay, you can make your indirect object into a prepositional phrase. Okay, I'm going to type that out. Grandma brought several pieces of candy for us. So you can see candy is not your direct object because of candy, that is your prepositional phrase. So we've established that in our very first lesson. Number 2, Professor Owen wrote. So wrote is our transitive verb, but what was being written? The note was being written. So the note is the direct object, but wrote for whom? For Susanna. Susanna is being impacted. So she is the indirect object. Okay, so you can also say Professor Owen wrote a note for Susanna. And number 3, from the catalog, we ordered. So order is the transitive verb. What is being ordered? The tent is being ordered. Ordered for whom? Wesley would be indirectly affected by this action. So we can also rephrase it into we ordered a new tent for Wesley. We can change our indirect object into a prepositional phrase. Last but not least, I will prepare. So will prepare is our transitive verb. But what is being prepared? It's the supper. You don't prepare the kids. It kind of means that you're eating people. That is weird, right? So supper is your direct object. Prepare for whom? For the kids. That would be your indirect object. So I can rewrite that sentence. I will prepare supper for the kids before leaving or before I leave, right? And that is the difference between our direct object and indirect object.